To fix the Frigidaire dryer E63 error code, it is essential to understand what this code indicates. The E63 error code typically signifies a problem with the dryer's moisture sensing system. This system is designed to detect the moisture levels in the clothes and adjust the drying time. Accordingly, when the system fails, the dryer displays the E63 error code. First, check the moisture sensing bars for any blockages or debris. These bars are usually located inside the dryer drum and can be accessed by removing the lint filter. Use a soft brush or a cloth to clean the bars and ensure they are free from any obstructions. Next, check the moisture sensing system's electrical connections. Verify that all connections are secure and not loose. If you find any loose connections, tighten them firmly. Also, inspect the wiring for any signs of damage or wear. If you find any damaged wires, replace them with new ones. Another possible cause of the E63 error code is a faulty moisture sensor. If the sensor is damaged or malfunctioning, it may need to be replaced. You can purchase a replacement sensor from a Frigidaire authorized dealer or online retailer. To replace the moisture sensor, follow the manufacturer's instructions. Typically, this involves disconnecting the old sensor from the dryer's control board and connecting the new sensor. Make sure to handle the sensor with care, as it is a sensitive electronic component. After replacing the sensor or cleaning the moisture sensing bars, restart the dryer and check if the E63 error code is still displayed. If the code persists, it may indicate a more serious issue with the dryer's control board or other components. In this case, it is recommended to consult a professional appliance repair technician for further assistance. Regular maintenance of the dryer can help prevent the E63 error code from occurring. Clean the lint filter after each use and check the moisture sensing bars periodically. By following these steps and practicing good maintenance habits, you can fix the Frigidaire dryer E63 error code and ensure your dryer operates efficiently and effectively.